My Windows 10 PC has no sound. It was working fine and all of a sudden got muted. I tried Windows 10 built-in troubleshoot sound problem by right-clicking on a speaker icon on the bottom of the window. It says troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. I checked the playback devices and none of the playback devices were active. This is my playback device. It's time to fix it. In the search bar, I'll search for Device Manager. In the Device Manager, click on the row beside, select Sound, Video and Game Controller and it will expand. Right-click on the device and left-click on Update Driver. And then click on Search automatically for Update Driver software. This will search for any newer version of driver for the audio device. Well, it says I already have the best driver installed. Now I'll try a different method. I'll now uninstall the audio device by selecting it with left click and right clicking on uninstall. Now when the hardware is uninstalled, I will click on the action in the top menu and left click on Scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the hardware. The sound is back on now. Please comment if you find this video helpful, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.